Look what I just picked up from Stalogy. A couple of sets of these removable stickers. And when I say removable, it means you can put them on your book cover in your notebook. And if you want to move them around, like peel it off and put it somewhere else, you can do that. So I'm excited about these. I've never used them before. Another thing I like about products from Stalogy is they're not date specific. So basically, in this particular set I got here, it's a weekly calendar. So you circle or highlight or whatever the month of the year, and then you've got your Monday to Sunday. Very easy to peel off and stick as well. 2 pieces of paper on the back. On the back of the sheets that you buy, it comes with a card, bilingual, Japanese, of course, because I live in Japan and this is a Japanese product, but of course anyone can get it. I'm not sure in other countries if you buy these that Japanese will be on it, but of course for me it is. And the company that makes Stalogy products is called Nitto or Nitoms. So if you want to see your week at a glance on the top of your book, notebook, inside your notebook, on your computer cover, wherever, this might be a great option for you. Yeah, you just highlight stuff and write. And peel and stick anywhere you want, and peel off and restick anywhere you want.